So guys, yes, today is 28th of March and the time is almost 9:10 now. So in this video, I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today, and before that, we'll be analyzing the pre-open market, like what are the gap up opening stock and gap down opening stock, and I'll be showing you how I pick the stock and everything in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end to see the live trade and to get all the informations. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. I do upload like everyday live trade what I do and a lot of strategies and educational video in the stock market. Okay, so let's see how the pre-open market has opened now. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty 50 is opening at 17,181.85, that is 0.17% up. Advanced stocks are 32, declines are 12, and unchained is 6 stock. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Cipla with 0.84% up and Bharti Airtel with 0.83% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the gap down section, that is SDFC Life with 0.66% down and Infi with 0.56% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. Okay, so if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch the daily live trades what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. The stock once it goes above 739, so I think I'll keep it ready, so we can short sell now, I guess. So let's wait for it to cross the 793. So once it goes below 793, we can short sell. So let's see, let's wait for it. 793.10. so guys, I'll short sell now. Yes, I just short sell now around 793. So we are into the short sell around 793 now, guys. So let's see how the stock will perform. Even the market is minus 0.22% down, if you guys can see at the top left side there, and Sensex is almost 0.33% down. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, 792 now almost. The market is also down now, so I think we can expect a quick movement in the next few minutes if the market continues to go down. 791 almost now. So let's see how the market will perform. So 71791 is also giving a breakout, so let's wait for it. So market is minus 0.38% down, so almost minus 40% down now, 0.4% down. Yes, so yes guys, so let's see, at least hoping to book like 4 to 5 points target by taking the advantage of this market volatility. So I guess we can get that easily because the market is continuing the same trend now. So if the market continues the same trend, so we can get the quick target easily, or we need to wait for a long time. So 790.75, so 790, if 790 gives a breakout, I think then we can see a fast movement happening from there. So let's wait for it. 791, 790.95, somewhere around there now. So let's wait. It is taking few time here, so we need to wait for it. So guys, yes, we'll wait, and once the 790 gives a breakout here, I think we can see a quick movement, and it will be a fast movement also. So yes, 789 now. So yes, it's a fast movement guys. So I'll take my exit somewhere around 788 or 787, somewhere around there, and I'll update you guys. Okay, so yes, the stock is coming down and the market is also down now. Let's see. As you can see here, the stock is now down. It's trading at 784 and the low made is almost 783.40, and the market right now is trading at minus 0.62% down, and I took my exit by booking almost like 5 points target. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of UPL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.